Hi guys! Alright, this is a makeup tutorial video and it's coming out of 17th Magazine March issue. Ooh, I haven't done any videos of the March issue yet, so I decided to get started. Sorry, my hair's a mess. Okay, so we're gonna go to the beauty section, and I kind of put up a similar video to this about the liquid eyeliner, but this is like graphical eyes, so I decided to try it because it is different and it's one way the 17 way, which is pretty cool. So let's get started. So if you want to use liquid eyeliner in this look, you can. I'm gonna see how it looks first, but I just have my regular auto liner and we're gonna give it a thick streak over the eyes. And with it, we are going to, instead of curling up, we're just going to put it up like that. That's really good. Now, if you do want to do the liquid eyeliner, you can, but I'm not, because mine is really good. So, yeah. Oh, I can't see what I'm doing. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. That really looks really nice. So I'm not going to do my liquid eyeliner because I think I got it right with that. But if you want to do it, well, you know what? Let me just do it. So just put a little. You have to put a little. So like to the end. If you need help with doing the liquid eyeliner, check out my Ace liquid eyeliner tutorial. Video will definitely be helpful. Ooh, I think we got it right. Alright, so now for the rest of your makeup, just so like you don't get like black on your regular face, I'm going to take my makeup palette and I'm just going to use like a brownish color or nude color on my eyes. Just to make it really nice. Do it on the other eye as well. Give it that finished look. There we go. And for your lips, I just have this gloss little thing that I just opened. Try to open it. Okay. So yeah, that's all new. Look at that. Boom. And you could just put that on your lips, because your eyes are gonna be like the main side of the photo display. And there you go. You are done. Yay! So thanks for watching this video. You know what you have to do. You have to subscribe. You have to like this video if you love makeup tutorials. And then you have to leave a great comment below. Thanks for watching. See you later.